Hello, this is Jill Slapper Dotson. It is with great honor that I accept this award for the HEB ISD Sports Hall of Fame. Thank you to the committee for this recognition. Growing up in HEB ISD brought about many opportunities, life lessons, friendships, and great memories. Athletics became a big part of my life beginning at Bedford Junior High. The dedicated coaches taught us how to compete and encouraged us to play all three sports: volleyball, basketball, and track. Transitioning to high school can be challenging. Even though my strength at the time was the 400-meter dash and the mile relay, the coaches were there to help direct me towards volleyball, and I'm forever thankful. During my athletic career at LD Bell, even though I went to regionals for the mile relay, my passion for volleyball grew. My teammates were dedicated and hardworking. I appreciate all of their efforts that led to our undefeated bi-district championship our senior year. Coach Griffin and her assistants were always motivating and teaching us to play as a team. As with many seasons, it was one that ended too soon, but we stand proud for all that we accomplished and for the fact that we never quit, and we were always on the rise. Our team was inducted into the HEB ISD Hall of Fame in 2006. I carried the qualities of hard work and dedication with me to Texas Tech University, which helped me earn several top 10 records, a bachelor's degree, and a master's degree. My experiences in HEB ISD helped me persevere at college and accomplish those goals. When I graduated from college, I returned to LD Bell to teach math and coach volleyball. It was great to be teaching alongside some of the teachers I had always admired. I learned quickly that many HEB ISD graduates came back to teach or would send their children to HEB ISD schools. This is a direct reflection of the school district and its educators. While I worked at LD Bell, I was grateful to be back in the gym with Coach Griffin for 11 years. Her leadership and dedication displayed on and off the court were like no other. Her coaching staff always consisted of the most knowledgeable and hardworking individuals available. I'm proud to call Coach Griffin and her assistant coaches my friends. I was always involved in school activities. I organized the SAD, Students Against Destructive Decisions, Turkey Trot, to raise money for Thanksgiving meals, and I also worked with the LD Bell volleyball alumni to raise scholarship money. After I got my school counseling degree, I moved to Irving ISD and replicated the TEAMS program and started SAD. When I moved back to HEB ISD, I had the opportunity to work for Dr. Jacoby, one of the founders of Keys High School. She was so proud that we won the award for the Black and Blue Canned Food Drive. Since then, I've moved to Florida, where I continue to model HEB ISD. I assisted with replicating the Christmas Providers Program. In our first year, the program provided gifts and food for 25 families, and in the second year, almost doubled that number. Volleyball continued to be a significant part of my adult life. I played on competitive women's teams that won Spike Fest, regionals, and went to nationals 3 years in a row. One of the first dates with my husband was a doubles grass volleyball tournament. He would even join us in scrimmages against the varsity team. I am thankful for all of his support throughout my years of coaching, driving the bus to games, going to grad school for my counseling degree, and bringing home school projects to work on. When our sons were born, I moved from coaching to keeping score at the home games. The boys were there to support Coach Griffin and her teams. When they were old enough, the boys attended LD Bell volleyball camp. I look forward to coaching them in the future. Thank you to my family for all of your support. Thank you to my sisters who had to sit in the gym for never-ending practices and games and for giving up weekends to travel to tournaments. After I finished playing in college, my sister told me she always liked looking at the secret number the coach would hold up. I informed her that that number was the area of the court that we were supposed to serve to. Thank you to my parents for driving me to all of the practices, games, and tournaments. They even drove 5 hours to Lubbock to watch the mile relay regional race that lasted about 4 minutes. They never missed a volleyball game throughout high school or college. Your unconditional love and support throughout my life has been a huge part of my success on and off the court. Thank you to Coach Griffin for guiding me, pushing me, and always believing in me. I continue to use what you have taught me. Even though we are miles apart, I think of you often because you are my favorite. Thank you for everything, but thank you mostly for your friendship. And finally, thank you to the HEB ISD Sports Hall of Fame Committee for this amazing honor. I truly appreciate it.